All right. Hey guys, this is another edition of Trading Psychology. We're starting off though, just entering a trade as it came through. I was explaining. So Francis is just joining as well. Francis, top boy trader. I've got top boy traders on today. I was just explaining, Francis, and anyone that was listening, my stop loss is either going to be just above the level of imbalance, just above, guys, or above this candle here. So if I zoom in, okay, so you guys can see. So your stop loss will be just above here, just here. Sometimes if it was to come back, it closes out here. That's where it will close out and then come back down, all right? And this has all come through simply experience of just being on the charts. So you put your stop loss where you feel comfortable, okay? And the reason I don't like giving out particular trades is because people complain. As a trader, guys, you need to be self-sufficient. You should have worked out your risk. I trade at 3% risk. Okay. Who just got value from that? Who's getting value from seeing how I trade and just learning something quickly? So let me just put these details in my meta trade and we'll start. All right. So your first TP is, let me change that color actually. Let me change that color to green. All right, that's the first TP. And again, I'm doing a price trap training this evening, so jump on board. So guys, I get in from the 78.6, that's 20 pips. I always measure from the 78.6. It's a key psychological number. I don't know why, I don't really care. That's all I do, right? So my first TP is there. Then I move my trade to 2 pip stop profit, which simply means I then protect my account and I let the other one just ride out. I let the other one ride out. Like that. From there to there's 20 pips. So even if you got in at 88.6, you still measure from the 78.6. So whether you catch 15 pips, you catch 15 pips. But again, the vision is for it to run as long as possible, but at least secure the bag. Because I was fed up personally of trading and not securing the bag. What's the point of seeing the blue and not taking it home? Put a 5 in the chat box if you understand that. You see the blue and you're not taking it home. Take the money, man. Take what belongs to you. Take it. Take the cash. Just take the money. Look, I do my 20 pips, first TP, I bagged it. And if it retraces and hit my stop profit, it doesn't matter. If it doesn't, if I bag 100 pips, I bag 100 pips. But I don't care. Take it by force. All right? So I hope you guys have got your stop losses either above here, just above the 38.2, above this white line, or above here. You decide. Okay, you decide. So I'm just gonna put it out there. I'm putting my stop loss just above the 30, but above here. That's what I'm doing. I don't think it's gonna come back that far, but just to protect ourselves. Another thing, guys, before I start talking, who was in the gold drop yesterday? Who took gold? And who made money? Who made money on gold? 1.1824. Who made money on gold? Hamid, please let people in, if you can, because they're trying to. Thank you, Pammy. Who made money on gold? Who lost money on gold? Now I want to know who lost money. And who lost money on GJ and AJ and anything to do with J? I tell you something. Never trade without a stop loss. Let me tell you. Never trade without a stop loss. Guys, just to show you trading works, I'm not being arrogant. Wait, let me stop sharing. Guys, some of you that think we don't trade, some of you that think it's all about team building, let me show you something. I'm not going to show you my account, but can you guys see that right now? Who can see that? And I got 2 trades on. Who can see that? Who just saw my trades? And let me tell you why I did that. 1 second. Because I'm sick and tired of people thinking we just team build. Nah, man's a trader out here. I'm a trader. So don't think I just team build. And that's why I'm trying to get into your paradigm. I'm trying to get into your mindset that stop limiting yourself to be, I'm just a trader. Do both. Who's understanding my passion and fire? Do both. I'm soon making 10K a month in my sleep, making money trading in my sleep. Guys, do both. Stop thinking I'm just a trader. You are more than that. You are more than that. You guys limit yourself, and I'm passionate. I've already started. I'm passionate because I'm trying to get everyone out of their comfort zone. Stop thinking I'm just a trader. All I do. You can do both. You can do both. Who's ready to take it to the next level? Who's ready to be a top boy trader and a chairman? I want to see. Put a 7 in the chat box. Who's ready? Don't just think you're. When you see me, don't just think I'm a network marketer. I am a trader. I am a trader. I trade hard as well. I trade hard as well. But I do that in my quiet time. You don't see the graft I'm putting in behind the scenes. I trade. So what I want is a whole team of traders and networkers, because look at Manny Canones, he's chairman 50. He's securing the bag each month, 50K a month. And he's a top boy trader too. Luke Longmire, chairman 10 or chairman 25 close to. Top boy trader. Christopher Derrick, top boy trader, chairman 25. Do you notice everyone in this company that are top boy traders are also chairmans? Kimberly Tours, she makes enough money trading, but she's chairman 10. You guys are leaving money on the table. I don't even know why I'm getting so fired up. I don't even know why I'm getting so fired up. You guys are leaving money on the table because you're like, I'm just a trader. I don't want a team build. You're being selfish. You're being selfish. Someone told you about it, yes or yes? Did someone tell you about this opportunity, yes or yes? Okay, if someone told you about it, why are you being stush? Stush. Why are you being selfish? Tell someone, even if it's one person, because you'll change their life. Trading has changed my life. I'm in my yard, fam. I'm in my yard, coaching. I've been doing back-to-back Zooms, impacting people. If you can't get a hold of me, guys, I'm on the phone talking to someone. I'm impacting someone's life. This company has changed my life. I'm at home making more money in like a few minutes. Do you get what I'm saying? Do you get what I'm saying? I'm here making more. Okay, I'm here making more money, and this is just the trade's just started. Do you get what I'm saying? The trade just started. I'm here making more money in a few minutes than someone's weekly wage packet. So when I say that on my Zoom call, do you guys now believe what I'm saying? I'm gonna be passionate and I'm gonna be raw with you, and I'm gonna be raw because I have a mandate to raise your belief level. I have to get to the point where everyone that comes on my calls religiously, I raise your belief level because you're limited. And you know, I'm straight to the point, guys. That's why you love this call. I'm the Uncle K that will tell you straight to the point. I don't sugarcoat nothing. I need to raise your belief level. You guys don't believe. You believe you're only one thing. Guys, you know I'm a dancer. Do you know that I dance? You don't think I'm a trader? You know I'm a dancer, right? You know I'm an actor as well. Do you know that I'm a musician? I play drums at the church. Do you know I can play drums? Give me a track, I can play a beat. Yeah, anything. Do you know I'm a musician? Do you know I'm a preacher? Do you know that I can preach? Do you know I'm a scholar in regards to the word? Do you guys know that? Do you guys know that I'm a husband? Do you guys know that I'm a father? Do you know I'm a trader? Do you know I'm a mentor? Do you know I'm a motivational coach? Do you know who I am? Okay, I'm going to say something to you. Everything forms under the umbrella. I'm a child of the king. I'm a son. So I'm now going to give some nuggets before I even go deep. Don't incarcerate yourself with a title. Don't make a prison. Don't make a prison in your mind with a title. I'm just a mother. You're not just a mother. You're an entrepreneur. You're a chair lady. You are a motivator. You're a top woman trader. Don't incarcerate yourself with a title. Stop limiting yourself. People are limiting themselves. I just trade. That's boring. That's boring. Let me tell you why. Because, let me tell you why. I'm being honest. This is my opinion. You don't have to like it. It's boring because you're in a company that has so much more. I'm going to be a drop shipper too. Who's looking to be a drop shipper? Who's going to be a drop shipper? Listen, do you know what the word is called? I'm an entrepreneur. Point blank period. If you're an entrepreneur, put some flames in the chat box. If you're an entrepreneur. We've got 70 people on the call. Let me start dropping these bars before time runs away. Guys, I just get excited. If you got value from what I've just said, put number 7 in the chat box. If you got value, let me just welcome every single person. Oh, wow. 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 Thank you. Chile. Do you know what? I get so much value from this. I really do. Like, it makes my day. Right, let me just welcome everyone. Hey, Pammy, top woman. Hey, Adam. Hey, Aggie. Hey, Aline. How you doing? Hey, Alket. Hey, Aman. Hey, Amber. Hey, Mina. Hey, April. Hey, Pro. Hey, Bukola. Hey, Buns. 38. Cassie, what you doing? Chair Lady 500. How you doing? By the way, Chair Lady 500, this girl can speak. She can speak. Who was there on Sunday? She chat nothing, it? That's Anne-Marie Talbot. She can speak. Guys, tell everyone put in the chat box that Anne-Marie Talbot needs to do Zoom presentations. Because she can talk enough. Now she needs to come out your comfort zone. Don't come, listen, if you're going to be on my Zoom, you're going to be uncomfortable. Chanel, hey Kiara, hey Christiana, hey Courtney. Courtney, well done for doing all your Zooms. Hey Dan. Is that Dan Carter, the Blue Beast? Is that the Blue Beast? Let me know. Hey Danny. Hey Denise, what you doing? When I say what you doing, like how you doing? Hey DOZ16WLA, write your name. Dr. Carrie Campbell. We have a doctor here. Amazing. Dr. Carrie, I honor you. That means you must have a doctorate or you must be a medical doctor. Yeah? Let me know. Hey Flavia, how you doing? Hey Fliss. Hey Francis. Listen, Francis. Whenever I see my top boy traders, we got to celebrate. Celebrate Francis. If you don't know Francis, get to know. Please put number 7 for my boy Francis. He's the most humble guy that I know. Put number 7. If you don't know about Francis, guys, you need to get to know. Francis, listen, Francis gets honored by me. Like, he goes, Kofi, I'm following you. Francis, I'm following you, bro. Seriously, I'm following Francis. Francis is a G. Francis has got to that point where he gives so much to his team. And guess what? The boy hasn't even got a team. So Francis, I have to kind of hot you up, bro. Get yourself a team. Like, Francis has a team of other teams. He has no directs, I don't believe. Francis, we're going to get Francis to become an IM educator. Who's with me? Who wants Francis to be? He's a G. He's a genius. He's a genius. He does smart money and harmonics. So at the same time, he's buying and selling. He's a genius. Connect with geniuses, straight up and down. All right. So Francis, I've got to honor you, bro. Hey Grace, how you doing? Hey Hippolyte, Ageliki. Hey Jack. Jack, let's connect. Hey Janet, what's good in the hood? Hey Jasmine, hey Jessica Lash, hey Jessie, hey Joy, hey Katie, hey Kaylee, hey Leah, hey Lee, hey Lilia, hey Lisa G, hey Lorraine, hey Maribel, hey Marilyn, hey Martin, hey Mary, hey Michelle, hey Natalie Baya, hey Nicole, hey Oname, hey Ramla, hey Rebecca, hey Roland, hey Sandra, hey Sarah, hey Shan, hey Cheryl. Guys, let's celebrate Cheryl. They're from other teams, but I love them. And Siobhan, they're from other teams, but we welcome every single person. Hey, Terrence, my boy. Hey, Thomas. Hey, Toya. Hey, Tawan. Tawan right now is in America. It's some crazy hours right now, and he's up. Hey, User2, newer music. Hey, Vanessa. Hey, Zoe. Hey, Chair Lady. Hey, that's it. I've done everyone. Yeah. And I think I saw Yaz on here. I don't know if Yaz is still here. She might have left. But Yaz is from Tawi. Guys, we have celebrities coming on here. We have celebrities. We have people of influence. But most important, we have everyone here. Guys, I love you. I really do. It hit TP. Did it hit TP? Guys, put some flames in it. Actually, calm down. Sorry. I actually said to people, I'm not going to get excited if it hits TP. I actually said, didn't I say that in my group chat? Because this is what trading psychology is about. Guys, I don't think I put TP in, you know. Let me, guys, give me 1 second. I don't think I put my own TP in. I was too excited. Guys, you can see the screen. Let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Okay. Can you guys see it hit TP? That's what, guys, I just do the same thing over and over again. I repeat the same system over and over again. All right. My trading account is nearly at 600. You just saw £300. I've just doubled it in how many minutes? This is the power of trading. All right. Let me close one of the trades. Let me close one of the trades. I've got so many accounts. Sorry, guys, bear with me. One second. Stop share. Guys, who's getting value from this? Look, let me just show you something. Do you guys remember how much it was just a minute ago? Can you guys see that? How much is it, guys? This is the power of trading. And I'm glad I recorded this. Everyone needs to see this video and trade. Straight up and down. Start trading, man. Share. All right, let me close this thing. I'm getting too excited. Oh, sorry guys, I do apologize. Sorry. Oh, guys. I need to move 2 pips, stop profit. Okay. All right. Guys, thank you so much for your patience. Thank you. I'm excited. Okay. Guys, follow me on Instagram. Pammy, put my Instagram handle in the group chat, please. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you. Dan's like 600 quid up. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on my YouTube page, please. Pammy, put that in the group chat. youtube.com/games05. And whatever you do, whenever you tag me on Instagram, hashtag the game changes now. So the hashtag I want you guys to have is the game changes now. So one sentence, hashtag the game changes now. Thank you, Pammy. Oh, Pammy, you're quick fire. Jeez. All right. You're quick fire, quick fire. Also, you need a trading journal. Look at these bad boys. Get a trading journal. Like, comment, and subscribe. Serious. If you're a serious trader, you need a trading journal. Okay. And that's the Pammy just put in the group chat. She's put the name of the company. aspirebookcompany@gmail.com. Guys, I'm really excited. Then I've calmed down. I'm like, you know what? Let me deliver what I've come here to deliver. I want it to be a culture of understanding. I want it to be a culture of celebration. So me giving that trade out to you was simply because I want you to begin to believe it's possible. I want you to begin to believe it's possible that you can get a return on investment. Who, just by seeing, and by the way, I hate showing my trades, please. If you know me, you know I hate showing my trades, but I felt led just to show you, to raise your belief level. If you just got if your level of belief went up a tiny bit by seeing my trades, put a number 3 in the chat box. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So I don't show to impress. I don't show to be like, guys, follow me or look at me. I couldn't care less for that. I show to help make a change. Who understands? I show to help make a change. You see, one thing you have to understand, we are in the largest financial institution in the world, right? We're in Forex. When you're immersed in that environment, once you understand the secrets, you're going to be conducive to it. You're going to actually radiate. You're going to be connected to it. Who understands? You're going to be involved. So what happens is, if we're in the largest financial institution in the world, what we're going to begin to see is we're going to receive what it has for us. I'm trying to make you guys understand. By being immersed in finance, we're going to have a lot of money. That's what I'm trying to say in plain English. So don't be surprised that your accounts are going to grow. Don't be surprised that you're gonna go to the next level. Don't be surprised. I'm not surprised. So I don't care about the money. Who understands? When you guys really get to know, I don't care about the money. I care about the possibilities. Jeez, write that down. I don't care about the money. I care about the possibilities. The possibilities. Please tell me. Let's start to dream, guys. What can you do with money? The money you're gonna make trading. What can you do? I want to see people's dreams. Let's see. What can you do with the money? In the chat box, let me see. Legacy. Yes, Lee. Take homeless. Wow, I love that. Take homeless people off the street. Yes, chair lady. Help others. Thank you. Take care of all. Yes. Live your life. Yes. Have more. Wow, that's the one. Have more time. Help my family that can Brazil. Yes, Alina, you can do that. Mission field work. Yes, Natalie. Feed the world. Buy my own home and give back to my parents and helping others. Yes, Zoe. Wow. Francis. Wow. Do full-time ministry. Wow. Help my family. Okay. I I want these calls to be family orientated. Yes, we have a company. Yes, we are paying monthly subscription, but I want what we have to be family orientated. I want what we have to be to expand bigger than simply just I trade. So the reason I get so passionate at the beginning, but guys, let's do both. Let's do both, because what happens is I sit like I put myself on par as one of the top traders in MA Finance. If you agree with me, put a number 7, because if you don't, that's fine. I'll see the truth. I see myself as one of the top traders in MA Finance. Okay, but guess what? I do the other side as well. I do the other side as well, because my mind is not limited. But my concern is this: if you wanted to be a trader, and I'm not saying you have to do it, but I'm trying to say, because we're in an environment and a community where everyone does both, our prisons are now expanded. Because one thing I've learned about the building side is that it's developed my character. Building a business and organization has actually developed my character. It's developed my level of understanding. It's developed me to begin to read. It's pushed me out of my comfort zone. And that's what doing the other side too. One thing I've learned from the conference is simply impact. It's simply impact. Impacting others. The same concurrent theme, impact, impact. So I'm now going to challenge every single person on this call. I want us to not think, okay, I'm selling this to someone. No, we're not salespeople. We are not salespeople. We are impactors. Is that even a word? But we're here to impact. Imagine I'm trading like what you just saw. I'm making that money, and I can help my brother learn that same skill set. So soon he's making that money. And I can help my other brother or sister learn that skill set. And then my mum, listen, tomorrow I go to mum's yard. I'm going to mother's yard to teach her how to trade. She's a trader now, 62. My mum's in this company, she's trading. Impacting others. So this is all tied in, like this all ties into building self-confidence and building confidence in trading. Let's write these nuggets down. Point number 1. Point number 1. Maribel, you're 62. No way. Maribel, I not know that. Maribel, you do not look like you're 62. And Maribel, listen, Maribel's here every single week. Maribel, I salute you. Maribel, I salute you. I'm going to honor you like my mum. Maribel, I'm going to honor you like I'm calling you mum. And receive that with, humility, because in African culture, we call anyone older than us mum. Maribel, I'm calling you mum. I'm like, mum, how you doing? Maribel, I thought you're like 40 something. Guys, let's give up for Maribel. She looks hot. When I say hot, guys, I'm married. I'm like hot, like, let me change that word. Let me not say the word hot. Guys, give me a dope word that is like, everyone's like, Kofi, we got you. Yeah. Is that your mum? Oh my gosh. Louis, let me tell you something. Louis, your mum look good. Celebrate your mother. Yeah? Your mum look good. Louis, your mum look good. Let me say it like that. Your mum look good. But Louis, I hope I can call her mum as well. Yeah? All right, anyway, let me get to the point. So, point number 1, building confidence, discipline. Write it in the chat box, please, guys. Discipline. Okay. Let me tell you what discipline means. You see, if you take off the INE and just put the E, It's disciple. Okay. Now, disciple simply means to be a student. That's what disciple means. You see, when Jesus had disciples, they were just simply students. I want you to write this down. We need to be students of the charts. We need to be students of the charts. Who understands? We need to be students of the charts. You see, I got a word, and the word I got was discipline, structure, order. For you to become a student of the charts, how much time are you spending on the charts? Because guys, you see me publicly, but all that matters is what I'm doing in private. You see me publicly, but guys, all that matters is what I'm doing in private. I think Ben left our call. I was going to celebrate Ben as well. Guys, whoever is in Ben's team, say Kofi gave him a shout out. There's top boy traders in here. And I'm going to say something. You see, the difference between me and someone else, and someone else and someone else, is the level of discipline they have behind the scenes. Some of you guys are making too much noise in public, but you're not doing anything behind the scenes. What are you doing? You see, whatever you do behind the scenes will be rewarded in the open. So building confidence in trading is how many hours are you putting into your charts? Give me some, guys, drop some stuff. How many hours are you putting into your charts? And I'm not talking about professional signal takers. If you just copy and paste, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about those that trade their own strategies. Whether it be harmonic scanner source, whether it be, DeLorean, and then the people that do smart money, the people that do price track, the people that do harmonics. Lee says 1 hour backtesting a day. Wow. At least an hour a day. Thank you. Wow. 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 Rollins is 3 hours a day. This is the thing. Can you see from the group chat, guys? Jessica says, look, okay, hold on. Let's stop there. I'm going to shout out to Jessica Walker as well. Jessica says hours and hours. Do you know we're also going to try and get Jessica to be an educator? Hours and hours. You see, success is determined by your level of discipline. Write that down. Your success is determined by your level of discipline. Your success is determined by your level of discipline. So for you to grow confidence, you have to have and get to that point where you have a level of discipline. That's where your success comes from. What are you doing behind the scenes? Don't always be showboating. Seriously, guys, please don't always be showboating. Because we will be able to see it by you're quiet for 2 months and then suddenly you show us your results. We're like, what? That shows me you've been putting the grind in behind the scenes, your level of discipline. Number 2, write this down, integrity. Write integrity down. Wow, Jessica says something, don't let someone outwork you. Wow. I follow Ed Milet and he says, max out. He says, no one will ever outwork him. Outwork yourself every single day. Okay. Outwork yourself. Integrity. Let me break down integrity. And this is going to be deep because people are thinking about integrity in regards to stealing. And yes, I'm going to say stealing. Are you stealing from yourself? Listen to what I've just said. Are you stealing from yourself? Guys, hold on 1 second. I'm just going to confirm something with my wife. In the chat box, write that down. I'll say that again. Okay, I'll say that again. Are you stealing from yourself? You see, what happens, guys, is if you don't go through the process, you're going to steal from your future self. If you don't go through the wins and the losses, the emotions, you're going to steal from your future self. That's why whenever I see someone new come on board and they tell me they flipped like £100 to £1,000, I'm like, okay. I'm like, okay. If you've told me you flipped £1,000 to 5,000, I'm like, okay. Who agrees with me? It's gonna come back around. Who agrees with me that when you see someone new in the business and they start to say like, oh, I've grown it, I've made, my eyebrows just raised. I'm like, okay. Jessica Walker says quick wins equals quick losses. I'm just waiting. I'm like, okay, when you're ready, come back, we'll talk. Because the market is random. I promise you that the market is random. It doesn't care for your name. It really doesn't care for your name. It doesn't care for my name. And so what happens is you've got to have a set of rules and disciplines that covers the base of the market. That's the only thing that secure your own personal disciplines. The level of integrity. See, if you cheat the system, the way the Forex market is, it will come and fight you. The Forex market will come and fight you and destroy you. The Forex market, yeah, thank you. Yes, my boy Terence. The Forex market, it will tear you to pieces. That's why you have to have a set of rules and regulations. So you've got to be integral. You see, this integrity builds confidence. In the chat box, write a list of things that I don't do. Because I've told you several times, just in the chat box, if you know me, put the things that I don't do in regards to trading. Let me see if you guys pay attention. Okay, I don't trade gold. Let's just stop right there. Let's just stop right there. I don't trade JBP. Okay, let me just show you a chart. Let's just stop right there. Let me show you. Yeah, this is why I don't trade gold. Let me share my screen. Hold on. Share screen. Okay. Let's have a look. Where's gold? If you trade gold, I'm happy for you. But for me, never. Me and gold divorced a long time. There were people that made a lot of money yesterday, and there were people that lost a lot of money. So let me clear my charts. And by the way, gold does not respect price trap. It don't, listen, gold does not, don't even try and do price trap with gold. It don't care for you, mate. It does not care for you. Guys, look at this drop. Who can see this drop? Imagine being here, looking for a buy, where the red line is for a buy, and you forget to put your stop loss. People are crying yesterday. Look at this, guys. Look at the drop. Look at the drop. You have wiped your account. You have blown your account. Now, people that have put time and effort and understand trading, marry gold. Enjoy her. She's well. Like she'll pay you in dividends. Gold will pay you nicely. But for me and her divorced a long time ago. So when I'm saying, guys, be integral, I'm being integral to my personal standard. Let me show you another currency pair yesterday. I think it was GJ. I was like, that GJ cheated. It would have cheated people out of some serious cash. GBP. And I'm not saying you've got to be like me, guys, at all. I'm just saying this is my level of integrity. Are you being integral to yourself? Look at this. So imagine I was demonstrating something to someone here. I think I was here, like, this was yesterday. Guys, please tell me what that is. What is this? One candle. Guys, can you see 100 pips in one candle? Hey, if you did not have stop loss, you are, oh, look at that. 3 candles, guys, 200 pips. $200 pips. If you caught that, you are smiling. You are enjoying. But I'm going to say to you, be integral to yourself. What's your standards? I don't go with the hype. I'm glad for everyone. If you're killing it on gold, keep killing it. And please hear my heart. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you my level of integrity to myself. Jessica was like, I blew my count 3 times, so I've divorced gold. You've got to know where you stand. So I wanna give you something. Let me show you what I do. This is my level of integrity. So point number 3 is a rules-based business. A rules-based business. Let me give you a demonstration of some of my rules. Let me just provide value. I'm gonna see if I can share my screen. 1 second, guys. Okay. Take a screenshot of this, guys. Can you see why I built confidence in trading? Because I have trading rules that I will follow. I'm not allowed to trade unless I've read my rules. I'm not allowed to watch my trades. I'm not allowed to do more than 3% risk. I'm not allowed to lose more than 6% in a day. I'm not allowed to enter a trade unless I have seen a strong push through the zone. I'm not allowed to trade same currency pairs, i.e. EU and UC. So for example, one thing I want to say to you, can I raise the page? Can you guys not see it? Oh, I'll just send you a document or something, guys. Because I can't raise it any further. That's what it. I'll just send you a document. Yeah. So the reason I said I can't trade EU and UC, because what you tend to find, and this is what's happened for me, is that if I'm going against them, so if EU is buying, so that means the euro is stronger and the US is weaker, EU is buying, and the UC should be selling because the US dollar should be weak. Yeah, so the Canadian dollar is stronger, right? So it should be doing that. But what I found is sometimes it works, but the majority of the time, if it goes against you, you've lost in both trades. So one of my levels of integrity is that I cannot trade same currency pairs. I can't trade opposites. That's just me. I am not allowed to be in a trade for more than 6 hours. I'm not allowed to have a high stop loss if it is a pullback, i.e. stop loss should just be above the zone or below the zone. This is how I trade, okay? So Chair Lady 500, no, when I say opposites, I'm talking about just currency pairs. I won't do GU and EU because they both have US dollar. If you lose one, you lose both. Does that make sense? All right. This is just me personally. I'm not allowed to have a lot size of more than 0.5 if I'm using someone else's signal. I rarely trade other people's signals. I rarely trade it, but if I do trade their signals, I'll only do 0.5. Okay. I have If I've lost maximum percentage for the day, I'm not allowed to check the charts until 4 hours later. I've got a whole bunch of other stuff. Look, I'm not allowed to trade GBP pairs. I'm not allowed to trade on Fridays. I'm not allowed to trade AUD NZD. I'm not allowed to trade gold indices. Yeah, so there's a whole bunch of other stuff. But I hope you guys saw my level of integrity. Do you guys understand what I'm trying to say? Can you see a rules-based business? And I'm trying to help everyone here. I'm really trying to help everyone, you know, get to that point. You know, I'm trying to help everyone get to that point where we're learning together. Did you guys get value from that? Let me see. The reason I said and listen to the words I said carefully, I am. You don't realize, I am not allowed. Yeah, I'll post it. I'll just, yeah, I'll don't know how I'll do that. I'll just copy and paste it into the group chat and then people can share it. Okay, the ones that are relevant. But the thing is, I am. I say I am not allowed because anything after the word I am is very powerful. And for someone like me, I've sometimes gone against like my own rules. But when I put the word I am, I then began to understand, no, I am not going to do that. I am not allowed. And these are then giving rules. And with your rules, you just won't do it. You won't break it. I am not allowed. Because what's going to happen, you're going to constantly hear the same thing come to your head when you're just about to over leverage or just about to go in again. You're not allowed to, because your rules don't have to be the same as mine. You just need to know who you are. That's why it's called building confidence. A rules-based business. So number one, discipline. Number two, integrity. What's your integrity? Number three, rules. Guess what's going to happen over time? You're going to have a system in place. Now, in the chat box, what does system stand for? What does system stand for? Save yourself time, energy, money. This is what I want you guys to get at. I want you guys to get this revelation. I want it to be a rules-based business. I want you to begin to get to that place where you have systems in place. You have systems in place. Because once there's a system, you're now trading with no emotion. You're now trading with no emotion. Who understands this? Who's getting value? You're now trading with no emotion. There's a system. You've now got a system. This begins to build confidence in you. So you're now like, I know if I take any two trades, if I lose, I lose. Like, there's a system. Did you get, like, if I lose, I lose. There's a system in place, guys. And I want to encourage every single person to get to that place where trading doesn't have your emotions. You have this market under wraps, simply meaning you have your rules that keep you guided. You have your rules that keep you safe. You have your rules that keep you safe, because I know if I lose 2 trades, which is 6%, I stop trading. I'm done. I don't try and get my money back. I'm done, because it says I am not allowed. And guess what? Another rule that you saw, I am not allowed to check the charts for 4 hours, because the way I'm a fighter. So if I've lost, I'm looking for trades to try and get back in and get my money back. So I've got to physically close my laptop and remove trading view for a minute for 4 hours, so I don't jump back in the markets. You see, there's certain things that you can be strong to withstand, and there's certain things you have to run away from. In the Bible, there's a guy called Joseph. Joseph was asked to sleep with Potiphar's wife, right? The woman was trying it. She was trying it, yeah? And he knew himself, so he ran off. He ran. He ran. He didn't try to say, no, I confirm it. I can be here and be like, no, don't. He ran. Joseph ran. And what it showed me about certain people and certain character traits, there's certain things that I am not good with in regards to, when it comes to trading. I'm a fidgeter. I fidget. I touch my trades and I move stop losses and I fidget, but it makes me lose. So now I'm not allowed. So what I've got a coping mechanism. The minute I place a trade, I then start doing affirmations. I start doing, because I will be looking at my phone. I'll be checking I mess things up. I hit a lot of TPs, but then I mess it up. Because of my fidgeting and this and fidget and all that stuff. So now I know my weaknesses and I run from them. I don't even try and withstand. I run. I run. So I don't want to look at the market again. I simply just 4 hours, I'm not allowed to look at it, because I know if I look at it straight away, I'll be looking for another entry. But after 4 hours, my emotions have calmed down and I've got a clear head. So from this short call, have you got value? Have you understood how we're building confidence trading? Can you see the levels of discipline that I'm going through and what I'm doing? And so that we can now share it as a community, because what I want you to know is this is a community. So whenever I drop a nugget, you take that nugget and then you share it with your nuggets. You share it with your team. You share, okay, guys, we need to be disciplined. We need to be structured. We need to be ordered. Trading is a business. You've got to see trading as a business, not as a friendship circle. It's a business, and you've got to treat it like a business. Point number 1 for building confidence: disciple, aka discipline, to be a student of the charts. Be a student. Point number 2, integrity. Have integrity towards yourself. Don't follow what everyone else is doing. If you like Gold Cup, stick with Gold Cup. If you like DeLorean, stick with DeLorean. If you like smart money, stick with smart money. If you like price trap, I don't go with the hype. I don't go with the hype. I know who I am. I know what I do. Stick with what makes you feel comfortable. That's being integral to yourself. Number 3, a rules-based business. Have a set of rules, like the rules I had. I am not allowed, because it's not about how much you win. It's about what you're willing to lose. As traders, we are calculated risk managers. That's who we are. We are calculated risk managers. I know my risk. Calculated risk managers. That's who we are. Calculated risk managers, guys. That's who we are. Guys, I hope you got value. If you've got value from this, put number 5 in the chat box, guys. Tell the world about these sessions. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube page. Make sure you follow me on _ Kofi at Texel. I'm really going to start to post more on my Instagram. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you got value. Tonight, I'm doing a price trap training. 100 people. You know it's going to max out, innit? It's going to max out. So make sure you get in early. Don't. Love you too, bro, man. Get on early. Price trap training. All right. I don't do this often. I do beginners. 7:45, guys. 7:45 to 8:30. Can we have the deeds? Guys, the same link. This link is, I have this link all the time. It's the same link. Adam, is it going to be recorded? I'm not sure. I don't know. Maybe. You know what, Adam, message me. I'll record it for you. I don't like really, I don't know. I just feel like some people just, I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud. Maribel, mum, I'm gonna call you mum. Bless you. Thank you. I never knew, like, listen, you got wisdom beyond years. You got wisdom beyond years, guys. I love you all. I love you all. You are now